Hi, good to see you again in this English grammar course for beginners with me, Caroline. In our last lesson, we talked about there is and they are. Today, we are going to talk about something very, very important, and it is our last lesson for this course, and that is the present simple tense. We use the present simple tense to talk about everyday life and facts. We also have many other uses, but we will not look at them in this course, but in the future course. What is the present simple tense? The present simple tense is the tense we use to talk about things that we do again and again. We use the present simple tense to talk about daily actions and facts. Remember, I told you there are other uses. We will look at them in future. Let's see an example sentence of a present simple tense. My sister goes to work every day. So this means she does this action every day. An example sentence of a fact is fire is hot. So if you touch fire, you will feel the heat. So fire is always hot. Now, let's see how we make the present simple tense. To make the present simple tense, you need the subject, I, you, we, they, he, she, it, plus a verb, work, eat, go. Let me give you two example sentences. He plays football. So he, subject, plays, verb, and we can add anything else that we want. Another example sentence, you learn with me. So you is the subject, learn is the verb. Now, let's look at how we make the present simple tense if we're talking about he, she, and it. When we talk about he, she, and it, we always add s or es or even ies to the verb. For example, do becomes does, carry becomes carries, watch becomes watches. So if you don't know how to use this, please go and watch our plural nouns and you'll understand how to change these verbs. For I, you, we, and they, we don't add s. For example, I work, you work, they work, and we work. But remember, for he, she, and it, we have to add s. For example, she works, he works, and it works. Now, let's look at the common mistakes that most students make with the present simple tense. Mistake number one, not adding s to he, she, and it. For example, it work, he work, she work. Remember, you need that s. So it should be it works, he works, and she works. Mistake number two is adding s when talking about I, you, we, and they. For example, I does, you does, they does, and we does. Remember, we only add s, es, or ies with he, she, and it. Now that you know the common mistakes, why can't we do some practice? Ready for the practice? Let's start. I will read the sentences and give you some time to guess the answer. Let's go. Number one, she apples every day. Our verb is eat. That's correct. She eats apples every day. We add s to eat because our subject is she. Number two, I football on Sundays. Our verb is play. Right. I play football on Sundays. Here we don't add s because our subject is I. Example number three, he in an office, and our verb is work. That's correct. He works in an office. We add s to work because our subject is he. And our last example sentence, They English every day. Our verb is study. That's right. They study English every day. Here, we don't add s to study because our subject is they. Remember, if you have I, you, we, and they, we don't add anything. But if we have he, she, and it, we add s, sometimes es, and sometimes we remove y and replace it with ies. Congratulations! You've just finished the English grammar course for beginners, and you should be very proud of yourself. Remember, if you've not mastered everything, it is okay. Don't worry. Just keep watching the videos, keep practicing, read the PDF document, and keep learning. It's gonna be okay very soon. Before I end this course, I would like to say a big thank you to Talk for Impact for sponsoring this whole course. So if you don't know Talk for Impact, please go check them out. And finally, I want to say thank you so much for being here with me and learning with me. I look forward to seeing you in our next course, which is going to be A2. For you, it should be a great deal. Thank you so much and goodbye.